Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Bacon Roblox, updated. Open Roblox Studio and create a new base plate, then import or build a bacon model. Set proper scaling and anchor settings for physics stability. Next, add a click detector and a script to handle interactions like pick up or eat animations. Test the mechanics in play mode and refine values for speed, sound, and effects until the behavior feels right. Start by creating a bacon model from basic parts or importing an OBJ with acceptable poly count. Apply a crisp texture and set UVs so the stripes align naturally. Group parts into a single model and name pieces like Bacon Main and Bacon Collider for clarity. Anchor non-moving pieces and use a small invisible part as the interaction hitbox to avoid clipping and ensure reliable pickups. Write a server script that listens for click detector or proximity prompt triggers and validates player state before granting benefits. On pickup, parent the bacon to the character or add a status value, then play a short animation and sound. Implement a cooldown and respawn timer using math. Random ranges for variety. Always verify requests on the server to prevent client exploits and keep gameplay fair for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.